Listen, following the transaction took place between X and Y there from 1st October 20. Correct. ಈಗ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು 2021 2 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ 1st October ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ತನಕ. ಈಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ದೇ ಸೇಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಅದೇನು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಪೇಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ನೋ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ನೋ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು ಕ್ವಶನ್? Oh, there is some more need to add. One second, I will just upload that now. Because the interest rate ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಾ? ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಡನ್ ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ. Huh? He withdrew the following amounts. He has taken the money. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಾ? You want me to do it? Okay, I will solve. ಎರಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡು, ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟುಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಈಗ guys, let's have a look here. 2000 ಸೊ ನೋಡು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಬೈ G to H ಇದೆ, G to H, H to G ಇದೆ, H to G ಇದೆ, and same thing goods sold by H to G ಇದೆ. Promise note given by G to H, 3 months we have, right? Cash paid G to H, goods sold G to H, H to G. Iga drop the account current as on 31st March 20 to create to be rendered by G to H. Andre account current H in account current with the G alwa, right? Charging interest at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest to be calculated on the nearest of the rupee yearly. ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇವು. First, balance due to G by H 2019. H in account current with G. Interest ವಿನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ತಡಿಪ. interest to 31st March 2020 at what is rate? 10%. ठीक है, 10% ಇದೆ. Let's start बच्चों. First is that 2019 ಇದೆ, correct? Okay, so now here they are given some one more column you need to put because invoice date they are given. Remember, invoice date if they are given means you have to put one more column here, due date column. Remember, due date column you have to put here. Due date, whenever we get invoice column, bacho, you have to put due date here. All right. So bacha, let's start. October 1st. October 1st. Due date will be same. Right. So balance is to balance brought down. How much? That is 3,000. Tell me now how many days we have. Tell me first. October to this one March. 182. Product product fast. Hmm. 14,56,000. How come? 3,000, right? 3,000. Not 8,000. It is 3,000. Sorry. Esto? 5,46,000. 5,46,000. Chalo. Next, October 18th. Sold. Due date will be same. Due date is same, bacha. To sales account. $2,500. Tell me 18 to 31st March. How much it is? 164. 164. Multiplied, bacha. 4,10,000. ठीक है, 4,10,000. Next, November. Sold goods sold by H to G. That is nothing but purchase. Correct? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is invoice date? 26th. November 16. Due date is November 26th. Buy purchase. Amount is how much, bacha? 4,000. So tell me number of date from due date to 26 to 31st March. How much it is? How many days it is? November means okay, 30. Okay, 4 plus 31st plus 31 plus 28 plus 31. 125. 125. Right. To this multiply by 4,000. 5 lakh. ठीक है. December 7. Goods sold by H to G. H to G. Okay. Same. December 7. Due date is how much? Invoice date is 17 December. December 17. 104. Buy purchase. What is value, bacha? 3,500. Okay, how many days? 104. 3,64,000. How much?
3,64,000.
Very good. 3,64,000. Chalo. Okay, next. Till here it's done. Jan 3rd. Promissory note given by H to G. Means promissory note means it's nothing but we are given, so it is bills payable आगते. at a 3 months. They said 3 months. Transaction date is Jan 3 and due date from there 3 months. Jan, Feb, March, April. April 3rd. To this we have to add 3 days grace days. So April 6 is the date, bacha. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Jan 3rd. April 6. To bills payable. $5,000. Tell me how many days we have?
93.
93. 93?
4,65,000.
How come 93, bacha?
Sir, January 3rd to April 6th.
3 months. So January 3rd birthday. How can we take January 3rd, bacha? It's April 6, right? Due date.
Yes,
If the
sir.
due date is April 6 means reverse agate.
Oh, okay.
Minus 6.
Minus
That is
6, sir.
minus 30,000. Right? Remember, bills payable is next, Feb 4. Cash paid by G to H. Cash is paid by G to H. We are paying to him. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Feb 4. Due date is Feb 4. To cash paid. We have paid the cash here. That is 1,000. How many months?
55.
55 days. Value is how
Sir.
much it is? 55,000.
55,000.
Next, March 21st. Goods sold by G to H. March 24. Goods sold by, this is sales, right?
Yes, sir.
March 21. Goods sold by G to H. Due date is same. To sales account agate. Sales account agate. What is that, bacha? 4,300. 4,300. How many days?
10 days.
10 days.
Yes, sir. 43,000.
43,000. Very good. Next, March 28. Goods sold by H to G. That is purchase. Right, bacha?
Yes, sir. Invoice.
Invoice
Yes.
itla.
Delete.
March
Yes,
28.
sir.
Invoice date is April. We have April 8.
8th.
By purchase minus wala barte. Correct? How many?
Yes,
What is
sir.
value? 2,700. Right?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me how many days we have? From April to March, it's going to be around 8 days. Minus 8 day.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
21,600.
27 into 8 is
Twen-
minus 21,000.
20,600.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Find the interest now fast. Find ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ interest. Tell me bacha fast. See what we need to do. First make a total on the credit side. Debit side total marko. 5,46,000 plus 4 lakh
1,600.
10,000. What is that?
1,81,600.
ಯಾವುದು ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು
10,24,000.
10,24,000. Very good. Bring it here. 10,24,000 minus ಮಾಡು.
8,42,400
Okay.
minus 10,24,000, 1,81,600.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. By balance carried on. How much is that? 1,81,600. Correct? Yes or no?
Sir.
Now on this we have to find out the interest here. March 31st to interest 1,81,600 into 10% divided by 365.
49.75.
49.75. Approximately 50 make it. Hodala.
Sir, 50.
Total is now. Total this fast. Hmm. 3,000, 2,500, 5,000, 1,000, 4,350. $15,850. March 31st. Buy balance carried on. So no need to write down here because there are much more. Tell me how much is that?
10,200.
4,000 minus 3,500 minus 2,700. 5,650. Understood, bacha?
Yes, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, let's solve this now. Remember, these are the questions you can expect for your December attempt. It's a revision, right? After this, we'll go with the depreciation. Depreciation we'll go with the partnerships. Now, sale of the goods on approval basis is done. Average due is done. Account current is done. Correct? Consignment is also over.
Yes,
Rectification we have. That also I want to cover now.
Yes, sir.
Theoretical part, true and false, definitely I'll have to answer all that now. ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋಣ ಈಗ. ಟೀಕೆ?
Okay.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ಏನಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಾಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫರ್ಮ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಚ್ಚಾ, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 85,000 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕೇಳಿದೆ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೋಡಲಿ, he had debit balance of 85,000. If you open the current account, debit balance is 85,000. Correct? Now he has further deposited the following amounts. He has deposited 1,23,000, 21,000. He has deposited. Same time he has withdrew this following amount. He has withdrawn the amount here. All right, bacha. So let's start now. X current account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ವೇಟ್, ಐ ನೀಡ್ ದ interest rate. Problem is incomplete, my dear student. Show the X account in the books of the firm. X current account in the books of partnership firm. Interest calculated 10% on debit balance of and 8% on credit balance. Look, there are two different interests we have, debit balance and credit balance. You are required to prepare current account as on 30th September 21 by means of product balance method. Let's do this now. X current account with partnership firm as on X current account with partnership firm as on 30th September 2021. All right. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ particulars okay date particulars see we have debit balance here and we have credit balance here and balance okay again okay we can say debit or credit okay and debit of product remember debit of product here days barutte right debit of product credit of product okay let's start now what they said 1721 1721 to balance brought down what is that 80 to 85,000 we have 85,000 here it's debit right 85,000 there next balance is also 85,000 now correct bacha balance is also now is debit balance or credit balance it's debit balance tell me from 17 listen from 17 to 30th September how many days tell me ನಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ hold on just hold on this now okay this is debit balance now hold on next we have 14/7 14/7/21 right what he has done he has deposited the money right by cash account what is the value 1,23,000 1,23,000 okay 1,23,000 so this is the credit balance right this is your credit balance now 1,23,000 because you are depositing okay now the balance is how much 85,000 is the debit balance now we have credit balance what is balance bacha 38,000 this is your credit okay now tell me from this date to this date, how many days we have? 14 days. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next day, see, after this date we have withdrawal, 29th, right? 29 9 29 7, sorry, 7 21. He has withdrawal, right?
Yes, sir.
2
22,000.
self account, because he has withdrawn the money.
Drawing account.
Drawings ಬರಿಬೋದು, self ಬರಿಬೋದು. How much it is? 92,000. 92,000. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿಲಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 38 ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಇವ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 92,000 ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 92ದಲ್ಲಿ 92,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 38,000 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 54,000 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಬಚ್ಚಾ, from this date to this date, how many days? How many days?
15 days, sir.
Right. Understood? Next go for this now. 18/8/21. 18/8/21, right? What they have done, they have deposited the cash account.
21,000.
How much he has deposited? 21,000.
21.
It's credit, no?
Yes, sir.
So ಈಗ ಹೇಳು, this was your negative balance. Now what is the balance we have? 54 minus 21,000, 33,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
53,000.
ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್? 29/7 ಇಂದ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ?
Sir, 20 days.
20 days, ರೈಟ್?
Yes, sir.
ಇದಾಯಿತು. 9/9/21, 11,500. 9/9/21 by 2 self or drawings. He has debited 11,500. Correct? Yes or no? That means this was the minus value. Minus plus ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
It is 44,500. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ or ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
Debit, sir.
Okay, from here to here how many days? Big
21.
how many?
21 days.
21 days. Okay. Now is that over? No, it's not yet over. First multiply that product. Multiply it what?
85 into 14.
85,000 into 14 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
11,90,000.
11,90,000. Now 38,000 into 15.
5,70,000.
ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲದು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 54,000
sir.
into 20.
10,80,000.
10,80,000. Next 33,000 into 21. 6 lakh
93,000.
ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಾಂ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್. ಸರ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಇಫ್ 280 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾಯ್ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಣ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಂದರೆ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಾನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿ ಬಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ್ದು? 33,021
6,93,000.
ಏನು ಮೇಡು?
6,93,000.
6,93,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಲಿಸನ್, ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಟು 30th September 21 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್?
21 days.
21 days.
1.
ಸೊ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್,
Yes sir.
multiply it, 44,500 into 21.
9,34,500.
Very good. So we got it. Now listen, it's not yet over. Now we have to find out the interest and we have to post it. Correct? Bacha, first make a total on the debit side.
What is it?
Huh?
3921 no entry sir.
ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾವು. $11,90,000, 10 lakh,
4,500.
32,04,500.
12,63,000.
हाँ
12,63,000.
12,63,000. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ
Yes sir.
interest calculation. Tell me, 32 lakh into 10%, right? Divide by 365.
877.94.
877.95 or
Yes sir.
877.94. What about this? 12,63,000 into 10% divided by 365. 346 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್
approximate ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾಂ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ ಇದೈತಿ. $878 minus 346. नहीं है वो लैपटॉप यहाँ रख, लो बाबा। आने का 10 बजे, 11 बजे काम करने वाले आती 11:30 बजे। वो रन देता कि नहीं लेना तुम्हें, नहीं तो कंप्यूटर लेना पड़ता। नहीं 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 ऐसा नहीं चलता। 878 minus 346 532 right? 532 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊ 2 ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ನಾವು. $85,000 plus 92,000 plus 11,500 532. One lakh 89,032. ಇದು 123.
1,44,000.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಇದು?
1,44,000.
ಓಕೆ 1,44,000. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಗೋ.
45,032.
ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
45,032.
32. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನು. ठीक है, चलो बच्चा, बाय बाय.